Hello student. Now we move on to the second video lesson on sets. In the part 1 of my session, if you see, I had shown you how set is a well-defined collection of things, and also we did one question 2 on roster form. So today we move on to some difficult question on how to write from set builder to roster, and we have to write the cardinal number also. Let us see, these are a little difficult questions. So 6 you have already done set, I have seen, but this is a little difficult, so try to understand how I am doing. Actually, these are called inequation. You will see, equation means they are equal, this question and this question. So how we do, I'll tell you by hit and trial method, or how we do. See here, so all even numbered part of question 3, I'll do it for you. So B is set builder notation. Set B, because it is in braces, middle bracket x, such that x belongs to natural number. And this, so how we solve this, children? So first, method 1, what you will learn in class 10, in fact, what we call linear inequation. So more difficult you will learn. So here I am telling you what we do. Listen, you think this to be like equal to sign, think, but little different way we do this. Actually, you could have transport. One shortcut method is this -6 goes that side, becomes okay shortcut, but this is not mathematically very right. 9 plus 6, 3x is less than 15. You think it to be equal to, so 3 goes down, so you get x is less than 5 and natural number. X is natural number. So what you will get, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a shortcut method where minus becomes plus, like equation. 3 goes down and you cancel. So this I won't say wrong for your level, but this is mathematically this is better, you see. So natural number less than 5. Just I'll show you. When you want to remove -6, we add +6 to both sides. This is a more logical method. This cancels. Ultimately, you will get same thing, children. Now, I have this less than 15. Now I have to remove 3 here because I want x. So divide both sides by 3. So I get x as less than if you divide 5. So same thing we get. Therefore, B, set B, children, is natural number less than 5. Natural number starts with 1. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is more inequation method. To remove -6, we add +6 to both sides. So this side it cancels, and this side, as if you see here, 6 remains. To remove 3, actually we divide by 3 both the side, and we get x. Here 3 cancels, less than 5. Okay, so this is a fundamental logic of your transposing. You'll see one book is there, Hall and Knight, which is the main book of algebra. There in the beginning they have explained this. So maybe in class 8 you will see that. So this is more logical, and this comes as a result of this when you learn transposing. But this is more right method. This you can do for class 7, but try to learn in this way. Next, same question, x says that x belongs to whole number. So same way, children, x minus 3 is 2. Again shortcut, if you see, take 3 to that side. 2 plus 3, x less than 5. Natural whole number less than 5, children, is 1, 2, 3, 4. But here more logical one, children, is -3 if you want to remove, add +3 to both sides. To remove -3, add +3. So x is less than 5, and so this is shortcut, direct transposing, but this is a more sound mathematical method. So less than 5 whole number. So my D, like B here, D is whole number less than 5, zeros. Whole number starts with 0, children. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then we will take another 1 or 2 part over here. One thing you have to see, this question is also asking for cardinal number. So see nicely, cardinal number means number of elements in set B. This is how we write. Like over here you see first number of element in D. Therefore you write 1 dot up, 2 dot down. So how many elements are there? 5. So cardinal number means how many elements. What are they is not important. It's cat, bat, rat, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so there are 5 elements. In the same way here in set B, number of element in set B is 4. Number of element in set D is 5. Okay, because this question is asking for write in roster form as well as find the cardinal number. Pause the video and copy. So next we move on to question 3, part 6 and 8. We have to find it, write this set builder or description method in roster form, and we have to also write the cardinal number of element in that set. So see, it's quite easy, children. Again you put braces. So all the words, letters of word common without repetition. C-O-M, only one M I'll write. O I will not write. So one M I'll write, second I'll not write. O I have already written because inside set, children, nothing is repeated. So another O, but one O I have written. And N I have not written. So what is the cardinal number of this, children? Cardinal number, therefore cardinal number of F, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 elements if you see. What are they is not important. Cardinal number tells you there are 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 or COMN or ABCD. Okay, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now next H. So H in the same way, children. We are writing the set builder or description in raster form. Is a digit in the numeral 2, 3, 6. 2 I wrote. What are the digit 2? They are all digit 3. 6 I wrote. 2 again I will not write. Once only. So remember that. And what is the cardinal number? Therefore, cardinal number of H is 3. Okay. So 4 parts I have done in this question. You have altogether, I see, 9 parts. So please try other and check the answer, and then we move on to question number 4. So here we move on to question number 4, where we have to write this roster form, those sets which are given in roster form in set builder form. So if you see, children, this I have already taught you what are factors and multiples. Okay, if you see class 6 video also have put, you can see one chapter is there in class 6 which I have put, almost I am finishing. You have board mass rule, factors and multiple, LCM and HCF. So please see there my part 3 of that, playing with numbers. You will see what are factors and multiples. So we have done this in earlier classes. So all these numbers, if you see, they are factors of 30. Okay, so here full factor and factorization I am not going to teach you. So X such that X, okay, this is how you will write X such that, because we are writing in set builder form, is a factor of 30. X such that X is a factor of 30. Okay, next if you see here, this is a little hard for you, but so you start with X such that. This is how we go. X such that X. This dot means such that. So here you will see X is equal to, see, its natural number up, down is natural number plus 1. Try to understand this. 1, so down is 1 plus 1, 2. If you take n as 2, down is 2 plus 1, 3. Where n belongs to natural number. But it does not go to infinite set, as I'll tell you. So n is maximum, you see 8, because this is n plus 1. So n is, you can say, less than equal to 8. Okay, so this is how you write this in set builder form, or one better way, this side is there, n starts, this is all right, or n is greater than equal to and less than equal to 8. But since we have said this is natural number and starts with 1, so this is right also, this is also right. You can write any one of these. Once more, you see this is little hard. Numerator is one natural number and denominator is one more. 0 is not coming, therefore it's not a whole number. Negative is not coming, therefore it's not an integer. But it has a limit, maximum n. 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So see this, not this, 8. So n should be less than equal to 8. Or I see, sometime you can write like this, n is greater than equal to 1, but natural number starts with 1, children. Next part we see, so you can pause the video and copy. This 4 months, if you see children, x says that x, they are months having 30 days only. So this method I think you know. So if you see in a year, January, February, March, so February has 28 or 29 days. So you will see these months have 30 days and there are 7 months, January, March, May, July, August, here we repeat, July, August, September is 30, October and December. 7 months has 31 days. So here you see these are all months having 30 days. So we will write x as that. So here we write x as that is, x is a month of a year. So you write in one line having 30 days, month of a year having 30 days. Okay, so here go to the final part of our session, finite or infinite set. So set of all even natural. So finite means which are countable, which can be counted, which can be written, but infinite you see we write dot dot dot. Set of all even natural numbers. So this is infinite, children. Even natural number will go on and go on. So this is infinite, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 100, 100, 200, 4, 1000, 1002, like that. All rivers in India, children. These are finite. You can count how many rivers we have. Set of all the factors, any factor here. I showed you, any number will have finite number of factors. So this is infinite, this is finite, this is again finite. Means which are countable. All drops of water in a bucket. It's quite difficult, children, how many droplets are there. Water drops are there. Infinite or infinite set we have. So here we have finished question 3, 4, 5. Kindly pause the video, copy and try other question. So this is all for this session. Please practice and do those which I have not done also. See the solved example also. And please do at least all the question up to 5. So thank you, children, for watching this video session.